Okay, so let's say that you were finished your part, you're going to right click on it, and you are going to go to create a multi-view drawing, 4 drawings, okay. Now the problem with this is if you do not build your part with the correct front view, you made a little error there, you are going to come up with the wrong front view here, and no matter which way you turn this, you will not get the correct front view. So what we need to do is go back here. We need to change the front view. You cannot just move this part around. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my right button, and I'm going to move this around until I find the correct front view. I'll click on back, and then I'm going to rotate this until I have the correct front view. Now I need to name this, name view, and I can go to correct front view. You can name it correct front view, true front view, right front view, whatever. I wouldn't call it right front view, but something. Hit the plus button. Now, when you drop down, this is the original view and this is the original front view, right? Is the named view in here? I don't think it is, but the point being is now when we come over here, I don't know if I need to hit refresh. Oh, see now it's down here at the bottom. Correct front view. Awesome. Okay, let's also go through this and just finish it up real quick. So if you have any parts here that have a hidden view, you right click, you go to show hidden lines. You need to do that. This piece up here, this should always be shaded. And we also need to dimension this. Oh, I got this one too. All right, show hide, shade view. All right, so for dimensioning, you need to get all the length dimensions, all the height dimensions, and all the depth dimensions. So we're going to start right here at this point. This is called the datum. Think of the origin, X and Y. I'm going to go from detail. Any detail is the edge of the shape, the edge of the part, a corner. Now I can dimension this here or up here. The problem with up here is this is a T. See these 3 lines come together? We want to avoid that. Now, you'll notice that if I go right or left, that's where the number goes. You want the number in the middle. Check. Then I'm going to dimension from here to this point. Up here, put that in the middle. Check. And okay, and now I'm going to dimension this full side here. We're actually going to end up moving this because this will cause a problem. When we go to dimension heights, we have T's over here, 3 lines coming together making a T. So as I go up here, I want to dimension this guy, pull him out, check. Then I'm going to dimension from there to there. But already you see I'm crossing lines right here. That's bad. That's a big no-no. So what I want to do is I actually want to delete. I think I'm going to click out of this. Delete this guy. And it filled in that line there. Great. Now I can dimension again up here. And what you'll notice is that when I dimension the total height over here, look, I don't have any lines crossed. I have my total length, I have my total height, and now I have my total depth. At this point, whatever your name is of that part, you're going to put it down here under the title, and you would be done this multi-view drawing. Good luck. Please check with me after you finish your first multi-view drawing to make sure that we've done everything correctly. Remember, just a couple of the rules is do not dimension outside the box. Do not TMI, nothing repeated. See once here, once here, once here, and that's it. Yeah, if you're in doubt, check out that PowerPoint first. Again, once you're finished with your first multi-view drawing, check with me, make sure we didn't break any rules before you do the whole thing. See you soon.